Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the unboxing of the Unity Stamp Kit of the month. We are unboxing June's kit, so you are seeing this in July, and this is my first look at it, and of course it is Father's Day related. So let's go ahead and open the packaging and see what's in here. Let's look at the stamps first. Uh, I see we have a background stamp of some sort. Are those trees? Maybe trees. And I guess you could put like these little sentiments. Best dad in the world. Some ties. Tractor. Sending love from the countryside. Shift your gears. Chase your dreams. You can do hard things. Time to switch gears. Life shifting gears, finding balance, reminding you of simpler lines and happier memories. I love you. Save the date. True love. Wedding stuff. Stars can't shine without darkness. And then you got these flowers and this. Overall, yeah. This kit, I don't know. I feel like every other month the kids are like, oh, nice. And then the next month's like, oh, wow. Okay. Let's see what I can do with this. That's just me. I'm not sure if other people do unboxing of their Unity stamp or other kits, but besides Wonder and Dream of 5 that is. I'm not sure about other people, but this one is definitely going to be a reach for me. So this one says you can card, and they have this in a black and white aesthetic. This stamp is cute. I like that, where they did it. And this is really nice, but it's still All right, so we looked at that. Let's look and see what they gave us for quote unquote free. I rarely use the freebie stuff. I might need to start. Oh, okay. This is different. As in, wow. So we got some film strip. Let's let's pretend like we kinda know how to do videos, Brandy. Kinda. So we got film strip pieces, which is cute. These look like little tickets. A bigger film strip piece. These clear or acetate dragonflies, really cute. And then we have some faux sticker, or excuse me, stamp flowers. Flowers, so I like those just in general. A doily kind of situation, a tag, and then you get some sticker letters, sticker words, and you get a blank card front if you want to use that. So that is really cool. I I know I've seen Wonder and Dreamer use some of her free stuff before, and I've enjoyed it. I just usually keep mine, and you get some black chiffon. I do want to say I am happy that we did decide to do this collaboration because it does force you to think kind of outside the box and or use some of the stuff that you would never use. I can already tell you all that I probably would never use this kit. I do like this large typewriter right here. The ties I think we got before in another kit, so I don't need ties anymore. But those would be good in the background. These gears, I said that I like steampunk and I rarely use steampunk stuff, but uh, yeah. So the steampunk, the gears are great. This little wedding stuff, I don't know about. It's a pretty decent size stamp though. Like you can make some invites, say the date invites, and then you have this pretty large flower. It's a large flower as well, and then you have this tractor. So overall, and then this background. And does it have a? Yeah, it does have a hole in it, but nothing really fits in this hole. Not even none of it. I thought maybe they had put best dad ever, but this is the best dad ever. It's not gonna fit in here. It kept coming apart. It wanted to be showcased. So yeah, none of the sentiments will fit, but that's okay. That is okay. I don't know about. Let me know what you think about this kit, because some of you are very, very, very like visual, more visual. than I am. And I love when you say, oh, that would be cute with this. Like this right here would be good. I have a stamp set that says you're my type. So that would be great with that. And we may just do a copycat one. But I think I want to try the gears at some point. But overall, I'm underwhelmed by it, which is very sad. But anyway, I want to say thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.